Can I be your friend? I need 1K now. Ewan ko sa'yo. And then after you drop, I end my life. Sure. Pag-tapit ka na. And then after you drop, then you still private. Yes, sir. Hello. Ano PM. And then after you drop, I will make you happy. May Diaz ka ba? Coquel. Cocowell. Sang bagsak ang 100 dyan, dali. Up kita. Up kita, dali. You can drop 1K. Luxury car. Ayun o, Gilded Coronation. After you drop I end my life is the private. Hi, CCKK. Support niyo ako sa ano ko guys, sa katapusan. May PK ako. Opposite ako. Opposite ako guys. Dapat mo na. Shadow. Wait. Ano? Hi, VPN na. Ano na? Hi, VPN na. Ano ba guys? Hindi ako kasi mag-avail na kayo. And then after you do, private. Pahingin mo ng piso-piso bago ka mag-up dyan. Baka mag-jakul ka pa dyan eh. Pumaban pa ako. Boss, nice to meet you, boss. Can I be your friend? Pahingin mo ng 1K bago kita i-up. Boss, where are you from? You want me happy? Can I be your friend? How were you and how old are you? Ah, thank you so much.